everyone, my name is Laura Birtz Sisson and I am one of the speech teachers here at CV-TEC. Welcome to the Speech and Language Department. We have a dedicated, caring, and experienced team of professionals who enjoy working with our students. Some of the goals we target include articulation or speech sounds, the understanding and use of language, which can include working on vocabulary, grammar, word order, reading comprehension, following directions, and answering questions. We also work on auditory processing skills, which can include following directions, phonological awareness, and memory skills. Often our students may need assistance with building social skills, which can include turn taking, interacting with peers, volume control, staying on topic, initiating conversation, and appropriate social proximity. We also target fluency or stuttering. Many times we build augmentative, alternative communication systems tailored to the individual and use of voice output systems including GoTalks, iPads, and Big Mac switches, to name a few. Some students also benefit from visual communication systems to include PECs, or Picture Exchange Communication Systems, and visual schedules. We work with you, the classroom teacher, and other related service providers to create an educational plan that is functional and educationally beneficial to your son or daughter, and we love the work we do. We look forward to meeting you in person. Thanks for your attention to this video.